Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be studying about the sentence. Sentences कैसे बनते हैं? Words are basically they are joined together and they form a meaningful sense, and they make a proper sense, and this is how sentences are formed. So let's just begin with this sentence. This is the first chapter of our book, and I hope you and one more thing for all of you, that from now onwards you all have to keep reading each and every day, because it will not only enhance your listening and speaking skills, but it will also enhance your writing, as well as you will be able to solve reading comprehensions in a very fast manner. So let's just begin with this. This is the new beginning, and please do take care of your health also, as the weather is changing each and every day. So let's just begin with chapter, that is the sentence. So the title of our chapter is the sentence. You have to write about yourself in the 4 sentences. In these 4 sentences, you have to write down about yourself, right? Now just read and understand. देखिए, food eating is Shivi, going school is to is Neha. They are not in proper sequence, right? So the above sentences, जो above group of words हैं, they do not make any sense. उनका कोई sense नहीं बनता. Hence they are the only group of words. वो सिर्फ group of words, and if we rewrite these sentences in a fixed order, in a sequence, like Shivi is eating food, Shivi खाना खा रही है, and Neha is going to school. So these group of words, they make complete sense बनाते हैं, and hence these are the complete sentences इन्हें हम बोलते हैं. And thus we can say that a group of words which makes its complete sense, जो complete sense बनाते हैं, हम उसी को क्या बोलते हैं? Sentence बोलते हैं. So there is a fact file that a sentence always begins with a capital letter. We all know a sentence ends with a full stop, question mark, and of course the exclamation mark. And a sentence must have a main verb होनी चाहिए. Now comes the part of sentences. There are two parts of sentences. One is the subject and one is the predicate. Subject means किसके बारे में बात हो रही है और क्या बात हो रही है is the predicate. Now just read and understand. Rohit is playing with the ball. Rohit play कर रहा है ball के साथ, and Mani is writing a letter. Mani एक letter लिख रही है. Now in the above sentences जो colored word है, they are the subjects of the sentence. और जो rest part है उसको हम बोलेंगे rest of the words are predicates, right? So thus the sentence has two parts. One is subject and other one is predicate. Subject क्या होता है? Subject of a sentence is जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं. Is who or what the sentence is about. किसके बारे में है? The noun or pronoun part of the sentence of the subject, उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? It is the subject, that is the noun or a pronoun. जैसे रितु is a good girl, रितु की जगह आप she लगा दीजिए तो रितु और she दोनों के दोनों क्या हैं? They are the subject, right? It's hunter killed a lion and the birds are flying, और birds जो है fly कर रहे हैं. Second one is the predicate. Predicate tells about कि subject is or does, कि subject क्या कर रहा है. The predicate, it can be one word also or it can be a group of words. The verb part of the sentence उसी को हम बोलते हैं predicate. So Sumit is washing his clothes. Sumit अपने कपड़े धो रहा है. Naman is laughing. क्या कर रहे हैं वो? Laugh कर रहे हैं. क्या कर रहे हैं? Sumit, he is washing his clothes. So there is a fact file that an imperative sentence means जिसपे command भी होती है और request भी होती है, subject नहीं आता है. It is understood and it is assumed that the subject is you only. जैसे come here, if I am saying you come here means मैं आपकी ही बात कर रही हूँ, right? Means you just come over here, do your work, अपना काम करो. इसका मतलब यह है, इसका मतलब क्या है? You just do your work. So there is a short recap. A sentence is it's a group of words that makes a complete sense, whereas a sentence always begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. We all know this. Sentence के पास एक main verb होती है और sentence के दो part होते हैं, subject और predicate. Right? Moving on to the exercise. First, we'll be doing tick the correct option. A sentence is a group of what? It is a group of words. Right? Sentence always begins with a capital letter, and a sentence, it must has a main verb. A sentence has two parts. It has two parts, that is subject and predicate. Now we have to rearrange. Apples like very, I very much. I likes apples very much. Vanshika room cleaning is or her. Vanshika is cleaning her room. So you can write that Vanshika is cleaning her room. Right? Mountains, the beautiful look. Mountains, the mountains looks beautiful. The mountains look beautiful. Beautiful means it looks, देखिए, और यहाँ पे आप T capital बनाइए. You for gift, the thank you for the gift. Right? Write a at signal turn to take two. You have to take to the right at the signal, right? You can write at the signal, signal के पास, just take a right turn, right? Yes. देखिए at the signal, take a right turn, right? Take a turn to right. Yes. At a signal, just take a turn to right, right? Delhi went Mohit to, तो Mohit went to Delhi. अब हम देख सकते हैं दिल्ली प्रॉपर नाउन है इसलिए कैपिटल आया है, और मोहित भी एक प्रॉपर नाउन है इसलिए एम कैपिटल आया है. बाकी वी हैव टू पुट द फुल स्टॉप्स एट द एंड एंड वी हैव टू स्टार्ट बिगिन विद इट्स द कैपिटल लेटर. So that was all about sentences, and I hope you all understood this, and please revise this concept. This is the first concept of our book, and please keep reading each day and stay blessed. Thank you.